Hello, Lightroomers! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will give you 10 presets for free to create the photos from this to be like this. But before we continue this tutorial, with my pleasure, respect, and my special thanks, if you want to click subscribe. Okay, if you want to see my previous preset like this, you can click in the right top corner or you can find the link in description below. Thanks a lot and let's continue this video. Okay guys, like my title in this video, in this preset for cinematic close-up or macro photography. And I already have the example from this preset. Okay, let's check this out. Okay guys, remember, not all photos completable with this preset. You have to resetting this preset again for a good looking end result. Okay, let's enjoy this video. Okay, alright guys, you have already set this preset and you can download this preset in the link description below. Okay, I will give you for free. Don't forget to click subscribe and turn on the notification. Thanks a lot guys and have enjoy. Okay guys, I suggest you the good things for click like if this video useful for you and share to your another friends. And subscribe for know my next video and more preset. Then don't forget to turn on the notification. Okay, see you in the next videos and bye.